Hello everyone, magandang oras sa ating lahat. Welcome to my videos. Maraming salamat sa panonood at lalo na sa mga nag-subscribe. Thank you guys, at kung bago ka pa lang dito sa aking videos, huwag kalimutan mag-like, comment, share, and subscribe para updated ka sa aking mga bagong upload na mga videos na mayroong magandang kasaysayan at talaga tungkol sa ating mga barya. Guys, ito yung 10 times ng France na mayroong taon ng 1995. So continue tayo guys sa ating nasimulang history tungkol dito sa baryang ito guys ng France, dahil napakagandang history nito guys. So continue tayo guys. The emergence of the livre tournois as France's preferred accounting system occurred during the reign of King Louis IX, with the issuance of the silver gross tournois with 58 issued to a French mark of silver of fineness 2324, hence 4.044 grams fine silver in a gross, and valued at 1 sol, 12 dinars. In France, Touraine region, thought valued less than 1 sol parises. The new coin's reputation and handling convenience versus those of debased dinars assured the adoption of the gross tournois to the rest of Western Europe. Towards the reign of King Philip IV, level came pressures to further debase the dinars, which occurred in 1317, when the gross tournois was raised to 15 dinars tournois, or 12 dinars, 1 sol parises. Thus commencing the fixed parity of 4 dinars parises to 5 dinars tournois, while French kings would continue to prescribe coin values in multiples of 4 and 12 dinars parises until the end of 15th century. The rest of France would gradually choose to recognize their increased values in multiples of 5 and 15 dinars tournois.